Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where TikTok, for some reason, is not letting you create a new account. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I would recommend you to actually think about is if you already registered that account with a phone number or an email. If you've already registered an account with that email, you just want to go and try logging in. So you want to click login down here and then log in via that account. However, if you type in your username and your email and you could have sworn you haven't done it before, you may also want to double check that your account didn't get banned. If your account got banned on TikTok and you try to create a new account with the same credentials, that may not work out. Most of the time, if you have a banned account, you won't be able to do anything on TikTok. So you want to go ahead and make sure you're using a different email or number if you're trying to basically create a new account. Now, the next thing, if it's none of those things, which it usually is, you want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to a solid internet connection or solid Wi-Fi connection. So you want to make your way over to your internet settings like this. You want to click on either Wi-Fi, you can click on cellular right here, and you want to make sure you're connected to a solid network. If you're connected to a really bad and poor internet connection, you may have some issues right there, so you're going to have to go ahead and connect to a better signal. Once you're connected, you can make your way over to whatever other browser you want to go ahead and go to. You can go over here. You can go to apple.com, whichever website you want to go to. You want to go ahead and see how long it takes you to load up these pages and everything. Because if it takes you a long period of time, then it may mean that you just have a really bad internet connection and you're going to have to connect to a better one in order to actually kind of, move on with the TikTok and create your account. So that's the next thing to do. If you're connected to a solid network and nothing's still working, the next thing you can do is you make your way over to your app store. So click on the app store just like this. You want to click on search at the bottom. You want to click up here, and you literally want to type in TikTok. So you want to start typing in TikTok just like so, just like how I did it right here. And you want to go and click here, and you want to update your TikTok application. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, TikTok may have fixed an issue that you may have been having. And in order to actually go through with it, you're going to have to update your app in order to actually go ahead and move on. So click update here and then go back into TikTok and see if it actually fixes it. If it's still not fixed as of this point, you may want to go ahead and contact TikTok support and let them know what's going on. Typically, you can go and contact them via their website and let them know what's going on, and they can pretty much help you at that point. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.